Sa kasalukuyan, kamusta kayo Martians? Welcome back to the 365. Okay, so today, currently we're editing the vlog and meron akong na-realize na I had to vlog about. This is probably gonna be a raw vlog. So, you're basically wondering, along the course of 365, why I've been vlogging in a long form format. Let me tell you guys a little secret. Sometimes we get too caught up in short form videos, TikToks, shorts, reels, that hindi natin alam na apektuhan na rin tayo mismo. That's why I have been vlogging in long form, because I've been teaching myself to appreciate the simple stuff. If you are an OG Martian, you'd know the style of my vlogs includes B-roll, fast-paced cuts, syempre onting graphics, onting humor, all of the mix. And I'm still trying to go towards that pace, but in all honesty right now, nai-enjoy ko yung long form. Because what it taught me is that mas na-appreciate ko na yung mga simpleng bagay. Usually kasi, para ito yung typical na nangyari. You like short form videos, naboboringan ka agad sa mahabang videos. Tapos, syempre, you scroll away. That's a typical common mindset. But what if you drift away from that? Diba? What if you teach yourself how to actually watch a video, just sit through it. Na parang i-appreciate mo lang na parang some long form videos are super duper grabe ng effort, which is good naman, but some videos as well na long form na sobrang raw, there's really something about raw videos that teaches us na it's never too late to start if you don't know how to vlog, if you're a content creator as well. It's okay na wag ka masyadong ma-pressure sa style ng content, sa hype, sa build-up. Because as long as nagawa mo na, if you've done it before, you'd know how to make it. But right now, me, from that short form style creator na yung vlogs ko umabot pa nga sa point dati na 6 minutes, natatagalan na ako, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. But right now, these long form videos are like, it's becoming a thing. Like a part of my body na parang, it's okay. Mas gusto ko rin minsan ibabad mga tao, alam mo yun, kwentuhan. But, typically, paikliin mo yan, maikli, ganun. That's why right now, yung mindset ko is hindi ako nagpapa-critic. Wala akong pakialam, basically. Yun lang yun. A good friend taught me na it's okay to start with the simple stuff. Because the simple stuff will give you progress, will give you consistency. Siguro kaya din lately, these past few days na naging busy ako, sobrang busy naman kasi talaga. Like, pag uwi ko, kailangan ko na magpahinga dahil almost 12:11 na, tas may shoot pa ako kinabukasan. Kaya, hindi ko na mahabol talaga. Though, kaya kong habulin yung daily vlogs, of course. Dahil, daily vlog Yun tayo We stand out when we're daily vlogging. That's the best thing we could do. Ano to? Kaya, ewan ko. To actually appreciate a long form video, even though it's not edited or it's raw, is actually nowadays para sa akin, it's becoming a skill. Because you're going to be able to sit through the boring stuff, just listening. It's either, it can be a podcast naman, but a vlog na sobrang raw, I think it's a new thing. It's a new thing for me. Kasi usually kung ako talaga gagawa ng vlog, hindi ako magde-daily. I will find the best intricate parts of the whole week, mix them all together, hanggang makaabot ako ng 7 or 8 minutes or at least 6 minutes, keep it fun. But, that's not, hindi ko na ipupush. I still love my daily vlog, I still love the 365, I love how it works, and I love you guys. Kung nakarating kayo sa part ng video na to, I'm sending you guys nothing but blessing and abundance. Na-miss ko lang talaga kayo. Na-miss ko yung interaction natin na ganito. Yung, ito yun eh. Na-miss ko siya actually. Na-miss ko kayo. Kasi I feel really disconnected. No matter what I do, there's the amount of work that's coming is actually a good blessing. But of course, hindi ko pwede pabayaan yung 365 because my heart is in the 365. And I still believe in building the YouTube channel to 100,000 subs, but we moved up to 53,000. So we're really going up there. We're going. Papunta tayo na 60,000. Then later on 70. So on 80, 90, 100, which is the goal. And as we get invited sa mga events, people are getting to know us. May mga nakilala sa atin na minsan di ko rin kilala. But big shout out to all those people. And yeah, I just want to take this vlog na sometimes, guys, you just gotta sit through it. And siguro yung iba, ganun kasi manood. Kasi napapansin ko on my long form videos, yung iba, ang taas ng retention. Well, maybe because every time I try to do a vlog, even though it's not as fast-paced, as crazily edited, I still pour out all the info that you guys should know. Like, hindi ko pa napag-uusapan yung Osmo 360 na compare dito sa X5 na alam mo yun kung anong action cam ang ibebenta ko dahil meron pa rin tayong pag-uusapan ng mga action cam. Hindi ko pa rin nagagawa hanggang ngayon. Tapos may unbox pa tayong Saramonic Ultra. Tapos may event pa tayo na pupuntahan. Hindi ko lang sure kung Sabado o Linggo. Ang daming ganap pero sana ma-push through natin. Sana matapos natin. At sana mahabol ko yung 27 vlogs pala. I miscount. Possibly 28, 29 or probably 30 vlogs we missed out. Imagine naman ganun kadami yung vlog yung kailangan ko habulin. So probably I gotta do like 3 vlogs per day or 2 vlogs per day. But I will do my best. But it's probably gonna be raw vlogs. Yeah. I can do short form as well. But let's see. So tingnan natin kung saan tayo papunta next sa part ng araw na to. Tatapusin ko muna yung edit ng vlog. Babalikan ko kayo. Let's see what we could do today. Yeah. Okay, Martians. Alam ko puro dito lang nangyari yung mangyayari sa vlog. Pero, nag-compute na ako kung anong kailangan kong gawin for the month of September. You're probably watching this today. Probably the last day of August or somewhat. Pero mukhang kailangan kong mag-double upload. Pero may naisip akong diskarte sa double upload. Kaya, I'll try to make the vlogs more interesting since January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, 8 months na ako nagde-daily vlog. Except for this month of August na ang dami kong hahabulin. So, kailangan September 2 or 3 times ako mag-upload sa isang araw. Good luck to me. Kaya natin to. May unbox pa pala tayo. Gagawa ko ng sobrang lupit na skit nito na naplano ko na siya, slowly but surely, step by step process. Maganda yung gagawin kong unboxing para sa kanya. May efforts, may love, may care. Yun. Sana all may care. Pero yun. Yeah. Dito ko lang muna tatapusin ng vlog. Sa pagkatapos, that is it for this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe para may good vibes. Sending you guys nothing but blessing and abundance. Comment down below kung mapanood nyo man to. Wala lang, comment down below. Peace out.